Hi, I'm Vance Hilderman, the CEO of AFuzion, and I know you're wondering about, cloudy weather and DO-278, aren't you? We're going to answer, how do you fly in DO-278, cloudy weather, and what's the relationship? But first, let's look at that. That is radar. That helps us fly. We didn't used to have that. There's a lot of crashes. Indeed, all over the world, in cloudy mountains, cloudy days, what we call IFR conditions, instrument flight rules. Well, folks, I'm on Mount Pilatus, and yes, that's Switzerland. Pilatus Aircraft makes great aircraft, and they can fly in all sorts of weather. But DO-278, that's what gives us the power. Now, maybe you've heard of DO-178. DO-178 is the software guideline for airborne electronics, otherwise known as avionics. There's 3 books written on this topic. I'm not sure you learn by reading a book, but I'm the author of 2 of those books. But we also use DO-278. 278 is for the ground and satellites. CNS ATM, communication navigation systems, air traffic management. DO-278, but what is it? Well, there's 10 key process steps. Plans, requirements, reviews, design, code, these things prevent defects. But there's also tests, review of tests with traceability, configuration management, QA, and assurance. Not certification, it's assurance. Ground systems, CNS, ATM, and satellites, they're not certified per se, they're assured. Now, one big difference on the ground, we don't love Microsoft Windows, Oracle, but we're not going to build a better Windows, Oracle from the ground up, so to speak, but we're going to use COTS, commercial off the shelf. We're not going to focus on the hardware. We're going to look at the system-centric view and allow COTS software, but that means we don't always have the source code. If you don't have the source code, look at my coat. What color is this jacket? Oh, you need a jacket here on the top of the mountains here in Switzerland today. But white box. You see inside the box. You don't have the code for COTS software. Probably not. But you have the API, the application program interface. Well, DO-278 has levels A, B, C, which are white box. You look at the code, the design, the data flow, control flow, if, then, do, while, for, loop, case, switch. But if you have the API, maybe you don't have the code. That brings us to DO-278. We need the API. Assurance level 4 is between level D and level C. 40 objectives? Yeah, it's gray box. We have to look at the API, and we do have that for COTS software, okay? But the hardware, we're not going to focus on custom hardware for ground systems. No, we're not going to build custom hardware in general on ground systems like that radar. That radar is mostly COTS hardware. Little bit of custom software. CNS, ATM, communication navigation systems, air traffic management. There you have it, folks. DO-278. That's what we're going to use. AFuzion helps the largest 278 companies in the world. 30 different countries. Our engineers are all over, trying to make sure that the skies are safe, because yesterday was a beautiful sunny day. Today, great day to hike the Swiss Alps. Cheers from AFuzion, Switzerland. DO-278. Safe skies.